And oh, let me show you the stocking I just saw. It's beautiful. It's $29.99. It's a faux fur, and it's so incredibly soft. Look at this. Oh my goodness. It's so soft. It's so soft. Nothing like being inspired. Doesn't matter what it is that you have to do in life. When you're inspired, it's just so much better. In this series, I'm going to show you how I was inspired by Olivia's romantic home to do something different with my ribbon. She says that she's bow challenged, but I don't see how. So Olivia, if you're watching this video, I'd like to know how you are challenged in that area, because you really helped me out in that area. Because as much as I love bows and love to do bows, it would take me a while just to put it together, but you showed me and you showed all of us a very simple technique to putting bows together. So that's what I'm going to share with you now. So I would definitely recommend that you subscribe to her channel, because she is just all things creative, and I just love that about her. Okay, so I'm doing this, and you've seen how much I folded it down. Now I'm going to take it, and she just simply folds it over on itself. So simple. Okay, she just keeps folding it over on itself. These are her Olivia bows, appropriately called. Okay. And you know something? I went into my living room to get something and I forgot what it was. Now I just remembered. So I'm wondering if I should go and get it, or no, I'm not going to get it. I'm going to use something else. Okay, I'm going to use wire. Alright, now you fold it in half and you just snip both ends, but I don't think I'm going to do that this time. I'm not going to snip it because it's a very thin ribbon, and I can easily manipulate it with a piece of wire. Okay. I'm going to take this wire, and you know, she does this a lot faster than I do, but the results will be the same, I hope. Okay. I'm not going to tie it because it's wire. No, it's too slippery. Okay, pause. Let me go get the Chanel stems, or the pipe cleaners. I'll be right back. I actually took the time to take things out of drawers that really didn't need to be there, because when I'm crafting, there's certain things that I reach for. And whatever it is that I reach for may be different from what you reach for. So those are the essential items. Those are the things that need to be right near where you're going to be working. If it's not in front of you, you can put it into a storage area. This was a closet, and it was for clothing, but I changed it and I made it so that it could hold the items that I'm going to be crafting with. Okay, I've got the Chanel stem, and I'm just going to cut it down a bit. I'll use this piece, and actually I'm going to go under and tie this as tight as I can, and then I'm going to twist it. Make sure it's even. What I like about this process is, you know, you really can't go wrong. You really can't go wrong. Okay, so that is just how simple it is to do this. So now what I did was, because I enjoyed doing it so much, that I went ahead and I just did a whole lot of bows. And so that's what I'm going to pull out for you now. I have to keep my eye on that candle. Okay, let me pull this forward. Remove this now. Show you what I've been up to. Okay, so you see I snipped it on both ends. Okay, that just gives you more opportunity to get it tight and to get into the middle. So I have this. I have all of these bows that I just did. And I did this because I'm doing a lot of decorating and I am not sure how I want to decorate. So this gives me options where I can just choose a bow. Now these bows were reused, and no, they were not ironed, as you can see. But I'm going to find a way to use it where it won't look shabby. It won't look too shabby. Okay, so here I have all these bows in front of me, and I've got projects that I'm going to use these bows for. So I'm going to leave it right. The first project. All right. I'll probably, no, I don't want to stand because then you won't be able to see my head in the frame. Okay. So I purchased this as is from the Goodwill store. Just two gift boxes held by a ribbon. So this is something that you can do very easily, very simply, without even making it into a bow. You can just simply tie a ribbon on the boxes. Now I want to add a bow to one of these apple cider containers. I call them apple cider containers because I don't drink. And so I don't put anything but apple cider in it. But these are containers that you can use for wine or anything else. And this is a larger one. This is a smaller one. And you know, I've used it every year this way. And this year I decided I want to spruce it up a bit. And so I think I'm going to take, which one do I want to use? I'll use the larger one. So all I want to do is just put a nice bow on top of this. So I'm going to look at the colors, look at the scheme on here, and figure out what I'd like to put on here just to spruce it up a bit. Maybe this red one. What do you think? This one adds a little more texture. Let me see. This one, we got to do something in a hurry. Okay, there's just, maybe I have too many options. Maybe that's what it is. Or maybe this one. No. Okay, I tell you what I want to do. I'm going to mix it. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to mix the colors and make a fabulous bow. That's a smaller one. Okay. I think I like that. Let's use these three, okay? That's what we're going to do. Alright, so now this is going to be my foundation bow. This is the foundation bow. This one's going to hang. This is what I'm going to use to tie the other two bows. Okay. Now, let's see which one's larger. This one seems to be smaller. Okay, so this one's going to go on next. And I'm actually going to cut this wire off. I'm going to put it on here. Excuse the knocking. That's my son downstairs. Do I want to tie this on here? Okay, I'll tie it. I'm thinking it through as I go along. Oh, it is hot in here. If I step aside and open the door to my craft room, then I'll probably hear more of what's going on in the house, which I really don't want to do. Okay, now I'm going to cut the wire off of this one. And I'm going to add this and tie it to the middle as well. So I'm not loving it, and I'm going to show you why, and I'm going to show you what I'm going to do about it. I really like the dovetails here. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to dovetail the whole thing. And then I think I'm going to love it. When it comes to decorating and design, you have to do it to your liking. Okay. Hi guys, it's Justine, and I am going to complete the ribbon series today. Yesterday the battery died. I apologize, so I was unable to complete it on film. So I'm going to show you what I did to produce this look on this second one. So what I wanted to do to finish this up, because I think that having this hole here on the side gives way that something belongs there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put something there just so it looks uniform. So I'm going to finish that up, and then I'm going to do another bow for the one. This is the one that was on the inside of this container. I'm going to get rid of this, and because this was what was used to hold this in place, to hold it closed, and so I decided that I want something different. Originally I was going to add 1, 2, 3 to the top of this, but then I decided I kind of wanted it to coordinate a little bit more, and so I needed some red. That's the reason I'm not going to use this. So I'm going to put that to the side, and then I said, you know, this one picks up all the colors in here, so I'm going to put this on here, and then I have a solid red, that I'm going to put here, and then some green. So I'm going to put these together off camera. But what I am going to show you right now is what I plan to do to make this look more finished and complete. Okay, so I'm going to take the top off. We don't have to worry about this falling off. Look at that. Okay, it works well. I'm going to use an ornament. So I'm just going to take one of these balls out of here, and I think I may have gotten this from Dollar Tree. I'm not completely sure, but I think I got it from Dollar Tree. And I just need a ribbon. So let's see. Yeah. This over here. And I'm just going to, let's see, how long do I want to make this? Feed it through here first. And you'll see that I think that this is a much better idea. Now, I'm going to have to be careful because these tops come off pretty quickly. What I should have done was glued it on first, just to make sure that it's not going to come off at all. But I'm not too worried about it because this is not something that's going to be played around with. Okay, so now I have it on there now, and I'm going to feed it through. Okay. Hopefully it'll all go in together. Yes. Okay, there we go. So now I'm going to tie it this way. Do that again. Okay, there we go. All right, much neater. All right, so this one is completed. How do you like that? Okay, so this one's done. Now I'm going to move on to the next one where I'm going to put these three together, and I'm going to get rid of this. I'm going to use the Chanel stem. I did clip the sides, so I'm going to put this together. I'm just going to show you quickly how I put these Olivia bows together. Thank you so much again, Olivia, for this fantastic idea. I can tell you right now that I don't want the bow. I'm going to fishtail it. So let me show you, because I'm going to fishtail it, what I intend to do. That means I'm going to have to cut all of this. So if you're going to fishtail the whole thing, you're going to cut all the loops. Okay, and I'm going to ducktail it all.